Yeah.
The back spot, yeah?
Pop balloons.
On here, so...
But do we stay here or are we gonna go there by the...
No,
you can knock
we
this
fight
push
from
back,
here.
no?
Attackers
Okay.
incoming in 30 seconds.
Can you even set up here if you guys want?
No, it's when they just flank point and then we out of position again.
Should I put it like that?
Put it here.
Yeah.
So this is like super target prioritization, because we need
Like
to
there,
fucking... Yeah,
Just call the targets that get low for me.
5,
yeah.
4, 3,
Like you need to fight with us.
1.
Yeah.
Attackers incoming.
Yes, come top.
Defend
Or
I'll chill on
Cassidy.
point.
Because if they dive us...
Speak to us, Smurf. Where are they?
They're coming mid.
Fair
Don't you
enough.
want me
Yes,
to
move.
stay on point? Then I
What?
can just take care of anyone that's come this way.
Okay, I just don't want
Yeah,
you
they
to
got
get
Farah.
picked.
Farah's coming
I can
slowly.
leave.
They're coming right,
They're coming right. Right.
Shield's gonna
Farah's
die.
Go right, go right, go right.
Borrow one.
Get the Rissa, get the Rissa.
Can you swap to soldier, please?
Borrow in the back line.
Farah's on me. I thought, why did we jump off? Couldn't we hold that until they...
Yeah, you guys should have dropped already.
Why? They weren't on point yet. That's the whole reason you start top there.
When do we drop?
As soon as they like on point.
Objective lost.
Why didn't we?
Stop the payload.
We jumped earlier.
Yeah, we jumped earlier.
Okay, they're pushing in
And no one
fast.
called
They're
jump.
pushing in hard.
I was
We
dead,
just break
so
the shield.
someone needs to watch kill cam when I die. Just start calling.
Oh my god.
Farah's on me.
Have used hog.
I need healing because Forest is constantly focusing me.
Yeah, this Farah is too good, dude.
They
Getting
break my
pocket,
shield.
we need like either a mercy of ourselves to pocket us or Zen.
Yeah. We've only gotten one kill. Just that game.
Okay, I'm going Xenia.
No, I think we need mercy rather.
Yeah. Here we go. Yeah. Okay, cool.
I don't know if I should stay. Oh,
I got 2 picks, guys. Push in hard.
okay, I'll
You
just
can
stay for
go
now.
Diva maybe. Break at shield. Wait for it to put up a second one, then we break it, then we go. Break at shield, and then we go.
McCree 1.
Yeah, go.
Your resistance. Cease your resistance.
Focus bongo, focus bongo. Bongo dead.
What?
Nice. McCree. Left side. Using ult.
Get the hog behind, hog behind.
Hop behind.
He's ulting. Put up a shield. Nice.
My shield's down. Bro, they just have to get it on. Enemies. Felt like I was holding that alone.
I was right behind you.
Diva.
Has reached the checkpoint.
Did I
This
swap
McCree,
something else?
McCree is
Another tank?
accurate, so.
No, man.
Yeah, you can swap mine.
I think we should switch to Ryan as well.
Ryan, yeah.
I'm switching to Genji for this McCree.
Are you sure about that, Ryan? This fair is gonna mess you up though.
We need
No.
to
Well,
get the
it's
Farah.
messing me up anyway.
Yeah, but I mean, if you at least with Monkey, you can jump around a bit.
Yeah, but then Hog just punishes.
Yeah, you don't jump to the hog side. I mean, like jumping the high ground and then.
My shield just dies.
Oh,
Can't hold it up for long.
Mercy down.
Nice.
Watch Farah top behind, above can't.
Farah.
I need a pocket, guys, if I'm gonna take this Farah.
Can we change the Lucio to a Farah?
Kill.
My shield is dead.
Shield was destroyed.
yeah, guys, we're gonna need to take care of that fair and that McCree's getting too much space.
Team kill.
Okay, I can go Mora. They got Reaper now. No more Farah.
The payload
Have to contest, guys.
is approaching
Swap.
What the
Contest.
fuck? Is Mora always a slow?
Yeah.
Jesus.
I'm gonna shadow. Here we go. Yo, this Reaper's on me.
Hog, slow.
I got them mercy.
Cease your resistance.
Get the Reaper
Get the
on
bongo.
point.
Reaper on point. You stayed?
3-1.
Nice piece.
Hog.
Nice piece.
Hog. Don't let him jump off. Nice.
Cool.
Play the game right
Swap
there.
to Tracer and I've got a pulse bomb.
She wasn't always this slow.
If we play aggressive now, we just need to be aware that they can cap it.
Tell me
Yeah.
when they push, I'm gonna pulse bomb behind.
I think they're pushing.
Okay, the pool.
Main, yeah.
Where's
Main.
Reaper?
I dropped down
Okay.
with the team.
Just watch out, if they're on point, we need to fall back immediately.
Just trying to get those Moira ults, yeah?
Yeah.
I can't hold my shield up, wait.
Nice pulse.
Oh, I didn't get anybody, what the fuck?
Don't overextend,
Where is that?
Nice.
Reaper down.
Moira. McCree alone, no heals.
McCree one.
Nice.
This will heal you.
Fuck, how did that pulse not get anybody? Holy
Yeah,
shit.
so.
No, you got someone.
I think he stuck it
No,
on
it
the
didn't. Didn't get him.
Marissa, didn't he?
Yeah.
And she
That's why I went to go and bomb, because I saw you stuck someone.
I got Hog.
I think you stuck the hog, but didn't get him.
AJ, do you mind?
Yo, that was a fat fight.
Okay, Reaper flank,
My shield's gone already.
Reaper's top.
Yeah.
Reaper's
Stop,
top.
yeah. He's probably has ult.
Shield's
Mercy
gone.
one.
I just
Waiting
need
to drop
pieces.
down.
Five
Press
press
E,
pieces,
what the
keep
fuck?
him busy. Nice.
Okay, I've got shadow.
Focus on
Reaper.
shield. Oh, Reaper.
Shield's gone.
Using ult.
I'm gonna shadow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Huge.
Blading.
Get there, Marissa.
McCree.
McCree led.
Reaper on the point.
Hog ult, okay.
Thank you.
Shield.
Reaper's behind you.
We need to group.
Can't, the Reaper's on me.
We need to group.
This Reaper doesn't mess.
They got Bongo as well. Reaper slow. Yeah, that
Get on
Bongo.
point, get on point.
Need to go for that Reaper.
Yo, this Reaper's on me like,
The Reaper's very aggressive.
and he's so accurate.
That teleport behind us screwed us over then.
They
That
don't
Reaper's
teleport
a
behind
master
you.
player.
He did. He teleported behind us.
Yeah.
No, that was up top, dude.
No, teleported
He
top.
jumped down.
Sides.
Yeah.
He was on top, then he teleported behind us.
Yeah. He was on top, he jumped down, he went around and teleported.
We should maybe have a diva who stays on top there.
Yeah, but the thing is, they had a hog. If I got pulled down, I'm dead.
No,
Don't get
with
pulled up.
Diva. If you get hooked with Diva, all you do is jet out of there, like instantly.
It's not as simple as that. I mean, they McCree and they big guys are
Yeah, no,
accurate.
but if he gets pulled, while he's getting pulled, they can kill him out of mech.
Do you guys want to run full tanks?
We could.
We could, yes.
Let's try it out.